FaceTime you while I put my makeup on. But I'm also filming a TikTok, girl, so don't be mad that I'm not giving you my full attention. But you got my attention for sure. Just not my full attention. Okay, so I just wanted to, like, you know, make this video. It's really gonna be like a makeup tutorial, but like FaceTime edition, because we besties, and I want to teach you how to do your makeup, girl, because we can't be going out clubbing with a natural face. I mean, it's cool, we beautiful with our natural face, but we gotta be able to do a little light, soft beat. I don't know how to do a beat, let me not say that, but know how to do like a little something, you know, and I can do that. So I'm gonna teach you how to do that. But I'm gonna like tell y'all everything that y'all need or whatever. I feel like I made this video before, but I don't think I actually went into depth. Hold on, girl, I'm missing stuff. So, what the fuck? Be scrambling for nothing. Oh, I got on white. I should probably take this off before it get dirty. Just go put that right there. Okay, girl. So, first thing you do is you moisturize your face. Whatever, you know, when you do your skincare routine, if you don't have a skincare routine, you can check out my skincare routine. But I use this, and before you put your makeup on, moisturize your face. Or if you put makeup on like in the morning or whatever, after you do your skincare. But if you don't do if you do it like in the middle of the day, like I'm doing right now, put this on first. I already did it, so I'm not really gonna do it on camera because I already did it. And then you go in with the Power Grip Primer. This is the one that I use. This lasted me a long time because I'm a natural girly at heart, so I don't wear makeup that much. But yeah, so you just take it and you just put it where you're gonna put your makeup, you know? So, let's see. Period. No. Alright, you just rub it in. I don't really like makeup on my forehead. That's why I didn't put none up there. And then you just go in with your concealer. This is a concealer only tutorial. Concealer only. This is like a little 8 minute makeup routine, you know. So you just go in with your concealer. I have a foundation, but I don't really like using foundation, so we're gonna go in with this. Pretty simple. Put it underneath those eyes, baby. Here. Period. And then you just let that sit in there for a while. Now you go in with, where is my, I gotta go get my beauty blender. 1 second, girl. 1 second. I got it. I usually keep it in my purse, just in case. Okay, so my hair is just getting all up in the way. Hold up. I got a fucking clip on it. I don't know why it's acting like this. Okay. So I like to go in with the brush just to like get the makeup like, you know, on my face, blend it into my face. But then to like actually blend it in, I go in with my beauty blender. So yeah. And with this part, I like to go like a circular motion. And then here I just go. Okay, so it should look like this, half blended. Okay, and now you're gonna go in with your beauty blender and just go in there and blend everything. I put on like very little makeup, so you can't even tell that I have it on. But if you want to use foundation, go in with your foundation first, the same exact way that I did it. And then, but don't put it under your eyes, just put it on your cheeks. And then go in with the concealer like under your eyes. I don't really like the way that foundation looks on my face because I honestly don't think that that's my color. So that's why I don't use it. Oh shit, I forgot to put something right here. That's what I'm talking to you, girl. Okay. Okay, that should be good. That should be. If you want, you could put a little bit on your forehead just so that it's not like a complete, like it look like you don't have makeup on. I'm gonna do that, but I'm weighing my hair down, so I ain't gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it like, you know, when my hair is done being slayed to the gods. Okay, and then after that, I use the Physics Formula Organic Wear Sculpting Bronzer. I use this one in the shade, what shade? Toffee. I got this from Marshalls, so I don't know where else you get it from. You probably get it from Target as well. Okay, and now with this, you just go like right under your cheekbone, and you just go. And again on the other side. You can also put it on your nose, but I don't like putting makeup on my nose because I have my nose ring there and it's hard to get it off. So, yeah. Then you just take, oops, I'm sorry. You take your sculpting face brush. I got the e.l.f. 12 pack from Target during Christmas time, so it's like maybe $5 or $10, but you can also get it from anywhere really. So I use this, and then you just go, just like this. Blend that in. You can go side to side, you can go up and down. Just blend it in. Go down, up and down, side to side. And it's like not as blended as you want it. Go back in with your beauty blender and just. Period. Okay. Now my favorite part is my blush. I use the Revolution. I don't know what shade this is because I like ripped it all off, but I use the Revolution one. Now this, I be going crazy with. And then I just go. I love blush, y'all. I love when my cheeks be pink. And plus, I be wearing this even when I don't wear makeup. I wear my blush. You will never catch me with no blush on, ever. Then I just like to put some on my eyelids a little bit to give it that pink look. Like an eyeshadowy look. Girl, don't be asking me how to do no eyebrows, girl. Don't ask me how to do your eyebrows because I don't know how to do my eyebrows. You know what I'm finna do? I'm finna show you what I'm finna do. Hold on. And then, this is all broken up. I don't usually use this, but I want some on my nose. Some, what the fuck is this? Highlighter. But, it's all broken up. The fuck? But I just want some, like, on my nose. Why my nose look fat, y'all? Does my nose always look like that? Okay, I'm gonna need some new ones, but this is the Maybelline one in the color rose gold. This is really cute, but I just don't wear it. I be forgetting I got it sometimes, but it's sitting here, so bring that in. Okay, period! And now if you're feeling a little spunky, spontaneous, and you like that like light look, girl, that light look, where it look like your face is light as fuck, and you go in with some powder. Now, I used to use this. I used to use this e.l.f. one, but I don't really know how to like work it for real. So I have this one as well. But I like this one, the drugstore one. Literally all my stuff is from the drugstore. Like you can get it all from the drugstore. I have no like expensive makeup. I would not tell you to go out there and get no expensive ass shit, you know? So, then you just let the powder sit in there. I don't like it under my eyes because it don't look. Brush it, Janelle. Thank you, Janelle. But yeah, I don't like it under my eyes because I just feel like it don't look right. But while you wait, if you feel like you need some more concealer somewhere or whatever, just put it there, you know? I feel like I need some more right here. So I'm just gonna, my brush is still a little wet from when I use it, so I'm just gonna do that and then go in with this to Fix that up. Okay, now, usually while I wait for my powder to stick in, I would do my mascara, but I got on lashes right now. So I'm gonna just tell y'all what mascara I use. I use the e.l.f. Waterproof Length and Volume Mascara. I need to get some more because I'm like running out. I use this every day as well. And then I just use my, I use this, which I need to get a new one because this is real dirty and that's unnecessary. But hey, who the fuck cares, you know? Who the fuck cares? So for my eyebrows, like I said, I don't really know how to do them. So I just take like some gel. The Got To Be gel. Where the fuck is my damn thing? Oh, here it is. I just take the Got To Be gel and hold up, let me move this. So I just take a little bit of Got To Be gel and I put it on my phone, oops. I put it right here. Just on there like that. And then we just go. Comb it up and then just comb it back down. Sometimes I like to like shave it like a little bit because I ain't found a good way to do my eyebrows. Like she back home, you know. The good girls is back home and I ain't trying to cheat on her, so I get my eyebrows done once a year. And girl, sometimes like if it get real bad, I brush it all up and I just shave it and it looks good. But I need to learn how to do my eyebrows for real because that like pulls the whole look together, you know. So by this time, this is all blended. So then you just go back in and go. I use this, but this don't really blend well. So like I said, go in with your spoolie and just. And there you go, girl. You got you a simple, you know, a simple little natural face beat, just something to bring out your beautiful eyes. But yeah, if y'all have any more questions or y'all have any tips for me, go ahead and send me that text message, bestie. But I gotta hang up, girl, because we gotta go. Oh, wait, girl, wait. Don't hang up yet. You know, with my lips, I don't have my lip liner, but I usually go in with a brown lip liner like this color. I get it from the beauty supply store, and then I just like, you know, go like this across my lips, like that, you know. And then I like the one for the beauty supply. You got like a blender at the bottom of it, and then you just blend that in. And then I like to go in. Where the fuck is my lip gloss? 1 second, girlfriend. Oh, hey, go, girl. Girl, I've been using my Aquaphor. I've recorded for 10 minutes on my phone. How the fuck do I have storage? And I just put like a little bit there. Like a real little bit. And then I go with this. With my NYX Butter Gloss. In the shade Tiramisu. Girl, I don't fucking know. Okay? Okay. Just like that. And usually I put the lip gloss in here and just mix it, but I think it fell off, so I think it ran out, so we just gonna go in. We're just gonna go in with some MAC lip gloss. You get this from Beauty Supply. From certain Beauty Supply, you know, I got this from back home, but they don't got it at my Beauty Supply, so. So yeah, girl, and that's how you do it. That's how you do it. I can't believe I almost forgot the lip gloss. Like, girl, who am I? But I'm gonna let you go, because you probably got things to do. You probably got to pop out now that you didn't learn how to do your makeup.